Hi, this is how to use the pipe system. First, open the pipes under prefabs and just drag and drop pipes parent. You can now place it into the scene, rotate it as you want. Then you can go to system, its child, and start building some pipe lines. You can see here when it will overlap with a straight pipe, it will create this crossed pipe. So you can see here this cross pipe have all four holes free. So if you delete it, the normal straight pipe will go back. And when you add any pipe, of course, when you add it, even if it's curved, it will still add a straight pipe because you cannot curve anymore. Only the straight pipe can intersect with the straight pipe. Now, as you can see here, you cannot overlap the pipe this way, so this will prevent overlapping the crossed pipe with any kind of pipe, doesn't matter. Then here is the rotate button. It will rotate the current pipe. Of course, you don't have any reason to rotate the straight pipe, so it will not rotate. It will rotate only the curved and the crossed pipe. Why would you rotate the crossed pipe? Well, sometimes it will be placed in a very bad way. For example, I have here an example. So in this example, I made something like this. It goes there, it makes this loop up to the right and here back. And this is just for this version. I will try to figure out why it does this, and I will fix this in the next versions, in the next updates. But as you can see here, sometimes it will just create this problem, so just rotating it, it will just fix this. Also, you can rotate it if you can see these lines. So if you see those lines, it doesn't look good, so you rotate it, and now those lines are gone, almost invisible. Okay, so let's just delete this one. And now let's say you did all these modifications, and let's place another one here. Yeah, something like this. Anyway, so we have this pipeline system. Now if you go and open another scene, it will not save it, so you need to go here and click save. Then you can see here we have an editor script to add all these buttons, so this will not work in a build. So all you need to do is to remove the system from the 3D models. So the best way to do this, it's just enter a name here for the pipeline. You can see you cannot detach it without a name, so let's say pipeline underline 01. We click detach. If you click no, it will just go back, so the models is on the origin and pipes parent is just a parent. So detach pipeline underline 01. Are you sure you want to finish this pipeline with the name? Yes. And then it will just delete it and rename this and just keep the 3D model of the pipeline. So this is the basic of how you use the pipeline system.